Is this a mistake? Maybe. Am I gonna have fun doing it though? Hell yeah! Hello everybody on the internet. Today I'm going to be making French toast. I'm cooking. I'm going to be cooking. I got this camera right here. I got this camera right here. We're going to be making French toast with no cinnamon. You know, I've always liked cooking. I tried to make cooking videos on my channel. The first time I did, yeah. Then the second time I made a full breakfast and a burger, but I didn't talk at all or give instructions. I think it was supposed to be like a time lapse or something. The only video of me cooking on the internet is the beginning to one of my vlogs where I made the worst scrambled eggs in the middle of the night. So today's gonna be kind of a new thing, but you know the vibes. You know the vibes. So let's get started. The recipe calls for 4 large eggs. Alright, so if we cut to the second angle right now, we have 1, 2. Ugh, the lighting sucks. Hold on. Did that help at all? Maybe. Ugh. There we go, that must help a lot. Welcome to the kitchen. So 1, 2, 3, 4 eggs. I don't know how large these eggs are, but who cares? Okay. So the next thing I need is one cup of 2% milk. I ain't got no milk, but so we're gonna improvise today with some evaporated milk. It says it's good for recipes and baking, so it might work. The next thing we need are 2 tablespoons of sugar. We got a container of Domino sugar in here, you know the vibes. We need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I don't have that, but who cares? Finally, we need some salt, which I'm using. Okay. I need salt. I'm using the salt to prop up my phone to record. So we got salt and optional toppings, whipped cream, and syrup, which I'm now using to hold up my phone. So what you want to do here is crack the eggs into a bowl, right? Let's take a bowl like this. I don't know how clean it is. Who cares? Our kitchen sucks. Just I cracked 4 of them. Oh shit! Second angle fell. Welcome back. Time for the milk now. Okay. God damn it. Okay. 2 tablespoons of sugar, so 1 tablespoon. So far looking pretty good. Now what? So now we do 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, which basically means just a pinch. So what is that? Oh, okay. That's a lot of salt. We're just gonna pinch some salt in, of course. And that's it. So what you're gonna want to do now is beat these bad boys up. Oh god. I don't know what the mixture's supposed to look like. There's no pictures on the recipe thing. So I'm gonna do this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright. I think these are thoroughly beaten. I don't know if I can show any camera angles. But now gotta take our day-old bread. The bread we're using is whole wheat. That's what my dad likes. Let's just open this. I don't know if this is good, but I'm gonna do 3 pieces. Doing good? Alright. So it says here to soak the bread in the egg mixture for 30 seconds. What the fuck is this stuff? I don't care. If I die, I'm going out eating French toast. Amen. So soak the bread on both sides in the egg mixture for 30 seconds. Next side. 16. So now we can start getting the bread ready. The griddle ready. Is this the right number? For 3 and 30. So we can put this aside on this plate. Oh god, oh god. That doesn't look right. Next piece of bread. Just right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now we're going to put these in. 1, 2, 3. Oh god. Okay. So far we got 2 in there. We'll wait a couple some more seconds on this one. Okay. Okay, so we got 3 in there now. Now we're ready to cook.
Promise you I got both. Spatula.
Spatula. So as you can see, they're on the griddle. I call it a griddle because that's what they call it in the recipe. So I think now I'm gonna flip them. Oh god. They don't smell sweet. They smell like bread omelets. Oh, hey. Wow. Do they look good to you? This one is just egg white all around. Wow, okay. Do I even need a second angle anymore? Probably not. So, good night, second angle. Say goodbye, first angle, second angle. Bye. Okay. Alright, so egg mixture can be saved. I don't know why I would save it, but it could be saved. Maybe you can make sweet omelets. Always do your dishes. Your parents do. If you're a kid and your parents do your dishes for you, so give up. Just give up. Your parents do everything for you. If you you want to survive in this world without your parents, you're gonna have to learn to do the dishes, which is not my problem. So, all right, here we go. Serve them where you don't see egg at all. All right, guys, can you see this? Oh God, I just realized the smoke alarm's gonna go off. No. Don't do that. Don't do that. So, pretty much done. Let me just add a couple toppings, make it look good. Okay. So what I'm gonna do for toppings is, of course, a little bit of whipped cream. Do a dollop of whipped cream. And then oh God. And then some maple syrup. Drizzle all along. Wow. This actually looks really good. Even though I can see pieces of egg. And then finally, a sprinkle of sugar all around. All right. Let's do a photo shoot. Alright, so I'm going to do the first taste test of our creation. Or my creation. You didn't do anything. So, here we go. Bit of bread. Fuck. Bit of bread. This is really good. Like, actually. Alright, I'm gonna use my fingers since I'm eating for myself and I'm not eating in public. Yeah. Very good. So, don't follow this tutorial. Follow an actual recipe for whipped cream. Get all the ingredients for it first. And then try it. Thank you for watching this video. This could possibly be my last video of 2019. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next year, unless I upload one of those videos, another video. I'm gonna go nut. Bye.